All right, in this video, we're going to look at how you write an exponential function given a data table. So just a reminder, all exponential functions can follow the form y equals ab to the x, where a represents your initial value and b represents your multiplier. So looking at this example, I have a data table. It's written in order where an input of -1 gives an output of 80, an input of 0, an output of 40, 1 is 20, 2 is 10, and 3 is 5. So the first thing we want to do is see if we can find the initial value. The initial value can also be thought of as the y-intercept, so you will notice that 0, 40 is going to be our y-intercept. Therefore, in y equals a times b to the x, a is going to be 40 as it's our initial value. Because this data table has consecutive x values, meaning they go in order and are not skipping, it's really easy to actually identify what our multiplier is here. So as we are going from small x values to large x values, you'll notice the y values are getting smaller, which means that our multiplier has to be less than 1 so that our values are getting smaller as well. So looking at from 80 to 40, 40 to 20, 20 to 10, and 10 to 5, you might see that we're dividing by 2, but remember b is a multiplier, so dividing by 2 is the same as multiplying by 1/2. Therefore, our multiplier in this data table, or in this set of data, is going to be 1/2. Therefore, our b value is also going to be 1/2. That means that our equation for this data table is y equals 40 times 1/2 raised to the x.